Okay, this is the first test of the 360 video. We're gonna go look outside. First, we're gonna look around the house. Whoop. This is our 360 video of the house. Everybody take a look. There's Grayson Bear in the house. Say hi. Okay, we're gonna go outside and look at our pump action water drain pump. So what I did, because I have a water problem, as you can see behind the camera, because it's a 360 camera, is I'd put two French drains in, one over here, one over here. Oh, it's raining, but this is waterproof, it said. So, there you go, French drain. Hold 700 gallons, not enough. You can see I piped it over to here, and we'll go over there in a little bit. This is the tree house. There it is, high tree house. Watch out for dog poop. Gotta watch out for dog poop. That's the bad stuff. Oh, I got my grip action. Grip action. I'm gonna say, so you can see there's another one over here, and it has another 700 gallons, and it also has a problem, as you can see. It could be that we've had like 40 days or 40 nights of rain. Also, could have been part of the problem. So what we're gonna do is I'll show you the pump now. So if you can see this, that's the pump. It's just a transfer pump right there. So we got to prime it. So I have a hose hooked into the pump to prime it, and then I have a relay downstairs that turns on the pump when I'm ready. And I had it hooked up to turn on the valves to switch between the two French drains, but it was an irrigation solenoid. You need pressure on one side. It didn't work well, so I actually need to get an actuating ball valve, which they're kind of expensive. I'm holding off. I'm just doing it manually for now. So I'm going to turn it on. I gotta prime it first. You can see here, I prime it. I get it on. Turn that on, and then I get on my phone and pull up the oh yeah, Beehive. Still recording? Yeah, it's a Beehive. Oh, called Beehive. They make these irrigation controls and also any kind of control, really. So I pull this up, open up my zone. Oh, that's my irrigation. I got a gate transfer pump. Pull up my zones. I just do tests. Set it for however long I want it. And it kicks on. There you go. Now, ideally I'm going to put valves to switch between the pumps and something to turn on and off the priming water supply. And I'm probably going to go adjust. Right now I kind of have the flow adjusted so that it pulls more from the far one and less from this one otherwise, and I'm probably going to have to switch it, so I'm going to go adjust that now actually, because I think this other one gets more of the wall. So, I'll show you that. Right. There it goes, it's chugging away. My ugly side yard, which is the last piece of stuff I have to do, is the side yard. So, and then it comes out right here. And you'll hear a there you go, digging down. And that means it's pretty close to done priming. Once it has a steady flow, I'll go turn off the stuff. There we go. It's supposed to pump about 26 gallons a minute. We probably don't get that much, but I think I probably pumped 40,000 gallons of water this spring because it's rained almost every day. So, once this gets going, I'm gonna turn that primer. I'm gonna go adjust the valve and I'll leave this on. I'm gonna see what it looks like when I go over there and do that. So, okay, pretty exciting. I'll go do that now, actually. I don't want to wait anymore. It is a mess back here. So I'm going to put this tripod up and see how it looks. I'm going to put that up. Alright. There you go. Okay, let's try it. That's why I want to get the automated valves, because I don't want to do that every time. I call it the poop soup because the dog poops in the yard and all the water goes through the yard, so now there's some poop in that water. It's disgusting. Okay, so now we got a full flow going now. I can shut off our pump, and that is it. Ooh. What a mess. Yeah, I'm gonna go in and probably get yelled at, but that's okay. Whoa, whoa. All right, here we are. And this is my little office here where I do all my nerd stuff. Right in there. Okay, let's see how it looks.